Hello and welcome back. In today's video I want to show you a simple tool to export dimensions from 3D to Excel. This one was created for furniture design in case you are building furniture in CATIA and you need to export the dimensions from 3D to Excel. This is the tool for you. In my case, I'm not ordered the parts based on drawings. I'm ordered the parts based on some Excel spreadsheets with naming of the component, dimensions and quantity. This tool was designed for this specific task. So in my case, I'm building everything inside an OrCAD part. Each body is a feature or a group of features. We will see what this means when we will inspect the table. First step, after everything is finished, I need to run the counting. What this means, basically the application will inspect the tree, will inspect each body for number of features inside that body and the dimensions. We need to wait until the application is finished. Of course, can take a while if we have, well, I don't know, hundreds of components because we're using selections. In my case, it's not that big, so this will be quite fast. Okay, the application finished the first task. We have the first draft of the table. It's visible also in the tree. The application, as intermediate state, changed the naming of the bodies to add dimensions and the quantity. Most of them, the quantity are 1, only this stack it's 7. We can have stack components, this is why I add them, but with a hint, avoid adding intersecting element to this stack. If I will add lateral walls, if they will intersect with the stack, then the measurement will not be correct. I don't know, with some CATIA automation stuff, I'm not able to extract the edges. I don't know why, doesn't matter. So the tool will not work. Then after we, let's say, have the first draft of the table, if we don't have to, I don't know, we don't want to have the naming into the tree, just click rename. The tool will rename the parts like they were before. So yeah, doesn't matter if you keep them or not. Okay, like I mentioned before, you can have multiple ways to keep the bodies. So either one component or multiple components. So for this, maybe we need another let's say checking. In this case, we can have, I don't know, different namings for components, different, I don't know, bodies with the same dimensions. So for this specific task, we need to check if we have, I don't know, the same dimensions with multiple namings, because at the end it will be only one. And we will need to add the quantity. For this, it's the last step from the process. We need to duplicate check. I will click duplicate check. If the message is total quantity is consistent, then the measurements are okay, and the table, the number of parts from initial table to the final table are the same. Now we have the final draft of the table. It's visible the naming, dimensions, and the final quantity. And now we can export the part according to our wishes. Of course, for this tutorial, I just add a simple Excel export. In my case, it's designed according to my needs with a different template selection. So yeah, doesn't matter. We will see when we will export the components. We have, I don't know, the numbering, the counting, the name, dimensions, and the quantity. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed and have a nice day.